How's everybody doing tonight? You know, I bet from hearing this beat, you never know that we recorded this at 1:16 p.m. But check it. But check it. But check it. Hey. Okay, I'm riding in the back, black girl driving, handing out epiphanies to Tiffany's and Robin. Niggas up they girl if they don't treat them right, I promise to never break a promise. Like a tailbone cause you falling and I already fell, and I got to know you well. That's why I speak these words in this rhythm, so you can tell that I'm just not the average nigga, I love you well. My speech is like philosophy, honesty mixed with L. Niggas wish they could be me, but sweetie, I'm high as hell. Your local favorite rapper is really my clientele. Mountain hills where there's change I build. And where there's change, I build. Tryna make it kill, make it happen, might as well. And show everybody how to chill. Yeah, hell yeah. Crizzle, Mac, and Tony, yo, we blowing L's.
Yeah, I spend my days chillin', chill with different women, move a little work. Still I am civilian. I get these awkward feelings lately. I've been down but willing to do whatever it may take and never knock my children. And if I may have, I would be a great dad. And why should they have children when they hate dad? I swear I hate class, hate me cause I swear too. I win bread, dog, and money's been the issue. Well, I promise with the cops and I ain't trying to go to jail. I've been hustling penny pinching, gotta make it in the Ville. Country Music City brings the pity on this rapping shit. I'm a rapper, been a rapper, fuck you if you hating this. Crizzle, Mac, and Tony, Casemiro.